I'm Matt Hillebrand with Don's Appliances. We're right in front of a new Maytag dryer, and we've had a lot of customer questions on the dryer starting. It's a little bit difficult to get used to in some customers' opinion, but if you know exactly what to do, you can actually work through it pretty easily. So we have our power button, so I went ahead, I held that on to our sense button lights, and then I'm going to come over here. Now, if you notice, it says hold to start. So you have to hold in on that button until all lights illuminate. And once they all illuminate, it will start right back up. So that first time, I didn't wait until the wrinkle prevent lit up, so it didn't start. Now I'm going to go ahead and pause this, okay? And when I pause it, you'll see this wet button is going to flash. Now again, to start this back up, I have to hold the button down, and then all of the lights will have to illuminate before you let go. So I'm going to do it one last time. I'm going to hit the pause, hold it till all the lights illuminate, and that's it. Something to get used to. It's a little bit different than I'm sure what you're used to. You may have an old push button, which is fine, but we'd love to hear any comments. Hopefully that helps you get more accustomed to your new Maytag dryer. Thanks.